So if you've ever dumped your black tank without gloves on, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries.
Perfect. That was awesome. Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I'm Teresa.
And I'm Jerry. Hey, and in this episode, we're going to talk about 5 things that we've done to our RV. And we're going to answer 2 questions. Would we do it again? And was it worth it? So come with us. Stick around to the very end because we will have a bonus item that we're going to throw in. And we appreciate you coming along with us. So let's jump right in with item number 1.
These Moride step above that we bought, perfect. They're stable, they're easy to get up and down, the dogs like it. They've got a little pad right here so that you can clean off your shoes and get some grip. I mean, the other ones are good, but I really like these. The one thing that I wish we would have done is just had them put the other ones in, but then we decided we wouldn't be able to get in and out because you have to put it up. So okay, so one of the things that I was very against for a few months was when Jerry wanted to pull out the dinette and put in a table. I'm like, I don't know. So finally he convinced me, and I'm so glad we did, because now we can pull the table out when we have guests over and sit at least 6 people. We can play cards and games, which is fabulous, and the table extends, so I really like that. So this is one thing that it was worth it, and I'm glad we did it, and I would do it again.
Yep, so item number 2 is taking out the dinette and putting in a table from IKEA. Definitely worth the cost.
Yeah.
All right, so the next item on our list is the wallpaper. Would we do it again? Absolutely. Was it worth the cost? Absolutely. And the reason why? The total cost for all the walls that we did was
$70.
about 70 bucks. We got the wallpaper at Walmart, and it was an easy project. Answering would we do it again? Absolutely. I think knowing what we know now, because these lines are, they go left to right, they're horizontal. And the way that our slide out kind of has a slight cant to it, we might have done it at a different angle. It would have required a little bit more work at the top. But I think it would be worth doing either that or get a neutral pattern. But the big thing was the color. We really wanted to lighten up, especially this area of the slide out. And it achieved just that. And it really gives a nice touch to the trailer, especially after we took out the valances and put in the curtains.
Yes.
So wallpaper, definitely thumbs up.
All right. The next one is we took out the little couch.
We took out the sofa bed.
The sofa bed.
So number 1, nobody liked to sleep on the bed. It really wasn't comfortable. Number 2, it really took away some options because it wasn't big enough really to sit 2 adults comfortably on.
Yeah.
So out it went, and we bought these rocker recliners, and we have since put one of the rocker recliners in that area and one here, and then the chairs that I'm sitting in, there was 2 of those that came with the trailer, and this allows us to use the slide out a little bit more efficiently, and we don't have to move around furniture when we pull the slide out in. So was it worth the money?
Oh yes,
absolutely. We got the 2 chairs.
Yeah, the chairs were on sale for $120 each, so that was perfect. Normally $500 a piece, so I think we got a good deal. We love them.
Yeah, and taking out the sofa was no cost.
No.
And it was a real easy project. It turned out to be, essentially about 6 screws, and it all broke down and fit right out the door. So that's definitely a modification that we absolutely love in the trailer. All right, so the next item on our list is the slide topper on our slide. Well, I can't tell you what a great addition that has been to our trailer. It keeps debris off your slide. It really saves on the wear and tear of the roof of your slide. And was it worth the cost? Absolutely worth every penny. Would we do it again? Wish we would have done it sooner. So absolutely. Okay, and we promised you a bonus item, and that bonus item are our 5K scissor stabilizers. Yeah, we had to replace the manufacturer ones because we bent one of the ones from the manufacturer and replaced them with these 5K scissor jacks. Was it worth the cost? Absolutely. We picked these up for, I think they came in a box of 2 for about 125. So was it worth the cost though? It really makes a big difference in how stable the trailer is. They were easy to install. I did it myself. You could check out that video. We'll put a link up here. And would we do it again? Again, yes. And we should have done it sooner. All right, well, we hope you enjoyed this follow-up video. If you're ever planning on doing modifications to your RV, know that they don't have to be expensive. And 9 times out of 10, they're really easy to do.
Really?
And it makes your RV a little bit more to your liking and to meet your needs and not the needs of a manufacturer. Any final thoughts?
No.
And with that, we thank you all for coming. We appreciate all of you coming on the journey with us. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Share it with a friend. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But remember, share it with a friend. Did I mention share it with a friend?
Did you want them to share it with a friend?
I would appreciate it if you just shared it with a friend.
Share it with a friend.
Watch the other videos that are going to be showing up right about here. And we will see you in the next video. Go.
These were one of the best things that we bought. The Morad step above.
Moride. Take 3. Ready?
Mm-hmm. These are the best stairs that we got. The more what?
Moride.
Moride. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh. These Moride step above that we bought,